Change position.
Reset you.
Please, am I free to change?
You're sitting is free.
Fine girl. Well done. Well done.
Make your order. Anything Lakuzi is here. I'll make sure of everything. Anything you order, you order. You order, you order.
Make your order.
You say they wise.
Anything.
You are a woman.
They have charm. Yeah, she have charm.
You did not join us to help us. As I was saying,
Well done, sir.
I said, like I said, you know what is good for you, you know what you're determined to eat, you know what is best for us. Just order, we eat, enjoy ourselves and go. That's what I needed from you. I want to have a very nice time. I will discuss on this business.
Boss, you are the most good person I have ever seen in this country. Someone like you still exists in this country. Who is here? Come, this lady or this people, come out.
You say they wise. You are a woman.
Sir, you called.
I called you. How much is this?
500 naira.
My boss here is more than that. He say you should order for anything.
Okay, that is it, sir.
Yes. You know, I joined him because I overheard him discussing with his babe, telling her to order for anything there. So I decided to bring my own problem to you so he can solve the whole problem.